Hello, my name is John Ide with Scorpion Sports, and I'm here to talk to you about our latest addition to the full-face street helmet lineup. It's the EXO 750. This helmet is fairly unique in some of the features that it has. The first thing I want to talk about, though, is the shell construction. This is a fiberglass Kevlar composite construction. It is DOT and ECE certified. It has a dual-density EPS liner on the inside. Also talking about the liner, it is fully removable. You can take the whole liner out, cheek pads and all. The thing that's nice about that is after riding in the helmet for a little while, you tend to sweat, it gets a little dirty. You take the liner out, throw it in the wash on gentle cycle, and then hang dry. This liner is also made with our Quick Wick moisture wicking material, so as soon as any moisture hits it, it immediately soaks into the fabric and then dissipates through the liner. The next thing I want to show you is our AirFit helmet pump technology that's in this helmet. By simply pumping up on this red dial, it inflates two air bladders behind the cheek pads here, so you get a little bit snugger fit, and then to release, you just simply hit the release button and it deflates the air bladder. The thing that's great with that is when you get a helmet right off the shelf, it tends to fit snug and good, and then after riding in it for a little while, sometimes it loosens up. So what you're able to do is adjust the fit by just simply pumping up that dial. The next thing I want to talk about is our locking system that we have on our face shield. This is actually new to Scorpion on this particular model. You have actually a couple of features here. Number one, by going all the way down, you have a very small detent here. So when you're cruising through town at low speeds, you want a little bit of airflow, you just pop this lever down and it holds it in place. And then by going all the way to the up position, it actually locks the face shield. So if you're up at speed, especially you guys doing track days, you do a look back or anything, the shield's not going to fly open on you. And then by putting it in the neutral position, it allows you to open and close the shield. The next thing here, really cool feature is our Speed Shift Quick Change Shield system. When the shield's in the full open position, you simply just twist the dial here on the side and the shield pops right off. It's spring-loaded mechanism, so just to put it back on, you line up the shield and simply press, and the shield's back on. And then all of our full-face street helmets come standard with our Everclear No Fog coating. It's a thermally bonded coating to the inside of the shield. It won't wipe off. You don't have to retreat it. We recommend you clean it with warm water and a clean cotton cloth, and it'll work really, really well for you. Ventilation on this helmet, I just want to point out, you have two brow vents in the front here. You have a top large scoop vent. And then in the back of the helmet, you have a nice large exhaust vent here. So what happens, the air comes through the front of the helmet, and this exhaust vent actually works kind of like a vacuum and helps pull the air through the helmet, so it vents really well. And then on the inside, we were talking about the liner, it's also channeled out, and there's some mesh in there so you can feel the air really flowing through the helmet. So again, this is our EXO 750 full-face street helmet from Scorpion. New to the market, got to check it out at your local dealer.